When I visit stores and appear at special events, I always have something for the audience to try. Sometimes it's a cheese sauce with chips or chocolate sauce on strawberries. I've made pumpkin scones and cookies. But one of our demos this last spring was outside and it was going to be cold, very cold. I thought a hot soup was in order. I pulled out the crock pot and created a wonderfully creamy tomato soup. It was quite the hit in the 39-degree weather. When we got home, my husband said, "I hope you wrote down the recipe for this one." Of course, I hadn't, but it was fresh enough in my head that I was able to recreate it. And here it is. I usually make it with chicken stock, but it's great with veggie stock as well. Keep in mind, this recipe makes a crock pot full of soup. So if you are having a big party, you can keep it on low and let folks eat it all day. If you need a smaller amount, I put a half version in the PDF associated with this recipe. Of course, you could always do the math yourself. No need to tell anyone that this is gluten and dairy free. Just let everyone fill their mug with this creamy delight.